with another video, guys, and I got this lucky bag from Target. And make sure to like and subscribe.
Anyway, we're going to get into it, and yeah, hope you guys have a good video.
What's in the bag? What's in the bag?
Dad, can you help me?
Yeah.
One sec, guys. Alright, guys, we just had to get some help opening it. Now we're back, so yeah, it's open. Alright, get the first thing out. Don't get all of it, just get one.
This.
Ooh, that's cool.
Letters.
That's it here. Oh, that's cool. Give them a closer view, Otter. Cool little thing. That is cool, Otter. That's good. That's good that you got that because it's very warm in powder.
Oh, tools.
Bro literally got tools as well. Bro, he actually got lucky, bro. Nice. Anything else?
Let me have a see. No.
Well, guys, thanks for the video, and yeah.
Let me unbox this.
Oh, okay. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. So yeah, we'll make another video of Otto unboxing everything. So yeah, see you in the next one.